So now we will move on to our next step, which is to look into the switch case. So let's click File, New Class. Working with switch case 1, example 1. Oh, I forgot. So we are accepting the day number from the user. And that's what we will feed to the switch. The switch will run through several cases. If case is 1, it will say Sunday. And then you always have to break from the switch, because otherwise, if you do not break from the switch, it will run all switches. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And instead of else, switch uses default, which we will be invalid input. And when you run the program, oops, I forgot to change. Oh, no, it should. Public static void main. Why is it not running this example? Let me run again. Oh. Please enter. Oh, here it is. So if I enter 5, it'll say Thursday. Let me scroll down just a bit. And in the example number 2, after you're done changing the file name, and also you are done saving the changes, let's make some changes to putting multiple conditions in one case. So for case 1 and case number 7, I will say weekend. For all other cases, I will say weekday. So it's a weekday if it is not 1 or 7. So this is step 1 of the example. So I'm running it, and I enter a value. If the value is anything 1 or 7, it's a weekday. And if the value is, let's say, 1, it's weekend. However, the problem is if a value is 9, it still says weekday. That shouldn't be the case. That's what we'll be fixing in our next step. So I just wanted to show you in this step is that you can OR multiple cases. Now I can put this entire switch in an if condition, that if day is greater than equals to 1 and day is less than equals to 7, only then I want all this if conditions all this switch case to run. Otherwise, I want to notify the user that it's an invalid input. So I want my switch case to run only and only if the value of day is within the range. So you use AND operator to give the range. So let me save the changes and run it. So if it is, let's say 9, it tells you right away that it's an invalid input. If I enter, let's say 5, then it's a weekday. If I enter 7, it's a weekend. Okay. So now you can see that we have combined in this one example if conditions and switch cases, and we are working with both of them.